Happy New Year. It's Kimberly. I'm just coming in with a quick video. Tried to do a video earlier, having some major issues with uploading it, so I just decided to reshoot it on my iPhone and just call it a day. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in real quick with a new item. I don't do a lot of YouTube videos, but when I do, it's about basically handbags, luxury handbags. I love Fashionphile. I love to buy and resell items. I try to get pre-loved items before I step foot into an actual store. I try to avoid it at all costs. And my latest purchase just arrived, and I wanted to do a quick video on it to show you guys. And it came from Fashionphile. I threw the box away, but this is the stuff that came inside. I also received the 2022 calendar, which I already put in my desk, so that's in the other room. But I do want to give a backstory on the item that I did purchase. I originally purchased this item back in 2013. We was on a family cruise. I purchased it back in 2013. Long story short, my sister had that bag. The bag was just too big for my liking. I initially gave the bag to my mother. My mother then turned around and gave it to my sister. So it was obviously too big for me, and it's obviously too big for my mother. So that's why my sister has it. So about 2 years ago, my mom retired, and she wanted the bag again, but in the smaller size. So I did purchase her the bag as a retirement present. So she currently has the bag as well. And we went to church recently, and I wanted the bag. The bag looked so nice when she wore it to church. I was like, oh, kind of a little jealous of my mother. But so I decided to get the bag for myself once again, but in a smaller size. So I like the fact that my sister has it, my mom has it, and now I have it again. And I don't think I'm gonna part way with it this time. I'm gonna keep it. I also own the mini version of it, and let me go get it. It is a Speedy 30. Picked this up from Fashionphile. Like I said, it was listed as very good condition, but honestly, I can say it's in excellent condition. Really no marks. I only found maybe one mark on here, but it's not visible to the eye. So this is the Speedy 30. I originally purchased the Speedy 35. I think we were in, it's Barbados, not Barbados, Bahamas, Bermuda. We took a cruise, a Norwegian cruise to Bermuda, and I think Bermuda has an LV there. I can't remember, but one of the islands has an LV there. You just take the boat across the water, and at that time, I purchased the Speedy 35, which is a good size, but it's too big for an everyday handbag. And so now I have the Speedy 30, which I think would be perfect for me. I also have this in the Speedy B in the Damier bean print with the strap, and I had that for a number of years now. But I just wanted to put the classic handbag back into my collection, and that's what I'm starting to gravitate towards, more so of classic items. Because if we look back, probably what I paid for the Speedy 35 back years ago is probably a steal of a deal. So the prices on these Speedies are increasing. I think a 35 is almost $1,400, and they keep on going higher and higher. So I just decided to just get it, keep it in the collection, and just don't even think about it. And I'm so happy with this purchase. Like I said, I do have the mini. I do like the Speedy 25. I'm not gonna sit here and say I don't. I really like the Speedy 25, but I'm finding on the resale market, the Speedy 25 costs a lot more than they are in the store. Will I ever get a Speedy 25? You never know. I really like the Speedy 25 because I think it's good for just every day running around. And you know, these bags are like a big hole where you can just put any and everything in. But I truly do love the Speedy 25, and especially as a Speedy B with the strap. I really like the Speedy 25, but this is the Speedy 30. I'm happy to have this back in the collection. It's a classic, it's a staple, and again, we all know about this handbag. We all love this handbag. Some of us, I truly do, and I'm glad to have it back. So this is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Please, please stay safe, and remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye.